Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect an AJazz keyboard. First, find the USB cable that came with your keyboard. Take the smaller end and plug it firmly into the designated port on the keyboard itself. Then, simply connect the standard USB end into any open USB port on your computer. Your system should quickly detect the keyboard, making it ready for immediate use. This method is straightforward and ensures a stable connection. For a wireless experience, locate the tiny USB receiver that typically comes with your AJazz keyboard. It's often tucked away in a magnetic slot on the keyboard itself. Insert this receiver into an open USB port on your computer. Next, flip the power switch on your keyboard to the on position. The keyboard should then automatically establish a stable 2.4 GHz wireless connection with the receiver, providing seamless input. If your AJazz keyboard supports Bluetooth, ensure it's sufficiently charged. Activate the keyboard's Bluetooth pairing mode. This usually involves holding down a specific function key combination for a few seconds. On your computer, navigate to the Bluetooth settings and initiate a search for new devices. Once your AJazz keyboard appears in the list, select it to establish a secure wireless connection. You're now ready to type without cables. If you encounter any issues, first double-check all physical connections. Ensure cables are firmly seated. For wireless keyboards, confirm the battery has sufficient charge or replace them if necessary. Sometimes, simply trying a different USB port on your computer can resolve connectivity problems. As a final step, restarting your computer can often refresh device drivers and resolve minor glitches, getting your AJazz keyboard working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.